Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to check and replace the lint screen on an electric Kenmore dryer. The lint screen traps lint and other debris that comes off your clothes during the drying cycle so it doesn't enter the dryer vent where it can cause blockages. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we need today is a soft bristle brush or an abrasive pad, some warm water, and some dish soap. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Okay, so now you'll need to watch closely because this is really complicated. Open the door and remove the lint screen. You probably need to take a break after this, right? Let's move on. If you use dryer sheets, the material in them will come off and coat the screen, which can restrict airflow over time. You can take the lint screen out to a sink and run some water on the screen. The screen shouldn't hold any water. If needed, use a soft bristle brush or an abrasive pad with warm soapy water to gently clean off any stubborn debris. And if you notice any holes or tears in the screen, you'll need to replace it. Using a damaged screen won't stop lint from accumulating in the dryer, which can further block airflow and even start a fire. If your lint screen is damaged, let's replace it together. Here's the old lint screen and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Now for the hard part. Open the door, insert the screen into the slot. You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments below. I would love to read some of your comments about how you cleaned your lint screen. And if you haven't gotten a new lint screen yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. And this video has just worn me out. I'm going to have to go take a break.